We are back with another car for sale from R2, a 2003 Mustang SVT. This is the badass car back in 2000s where it took almost any car out there with the supercharger, big V8, 32 valves. Also, this car comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. And by the way, this car's got a brand new clutch, just got installed from a dealership not too long ago. And if you can see the interior, simple, very simple. There's no bunch of gauges anywhere, no screens. It's right here, steering wheel, your gauge is right in front of you, you on the road, shifting through gears, clutching it. You could never beat that. That's just pure sexy right there. So the price on this car is $48,995. If you guys are interested and want to learn more about it, please give us a call, DM us, fax us, tweet, X, whatever you could do, run, jog. Let us know, we'll make it happen.